Hello guys, I'm going to guide you on how to remove keyboard spelling correction on Android phone. Now, if your keyboard is disturbing you by auto spelling correction, then you need to watch this video. And if you find it useful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Now, the first step you need to do is to go to your phone settings, then go to search. Since this setting is in a different location for different phones, then you're just going to go to search and search for keyboard. Then you are going to see default. Tap on it. Then it will land you here. So you are going to see default keyboard. Then you just need to scroll down at the bottom. Then tap on more input settings. Then you are going to see spelling correction. Tap on it. Then you need to turn off this button for spelling correction. So by turning that feature off, you are going to now type on your keyboard without spelling correction. So if you go to search, you will be typing without any correction appearing on your keyboard. So that's simply it, guys. That's how you can turn off keyboard spelling correction on Android phone. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for watching and have a nice time.